BrightPay caters for the processing of payroll on a weekly, monthly, fortnightly, or 4-weekly basis. More than one pay frequency can be operated at any time within the same company. To start processing your payroll, go to the Payroll tab on the menu toolbar. Use the blue bars to select which pay period you wish to start processing. Your employees will be listed in a summary view. To edit a particular employee's pay, simply click on the employee's name. That employee's payslip will now be displayed on screen. If the employee is paid a basic gross, enter the amount in the field provided. An edit facility is available if you wish to enter an annual salary to calculate the equivalent periodic amount or wish to perform a net to gross calculation. A delete option is also available within the edit facility, should you wish to completely remove a pay item. If any employee is hourly paid, the default rate entered in the employee record will be displayed. If this rate still applies, enter the number of hours required. To amend an hourly rate, click on the drop-down menu and select an option from the list. If an employee is daily paid, this amount will also be brought forward from the employee's record. To add more pay items, click the Add button and select whether you wish to add a monthly amount or daily pay amount or another hourly rate. An option is also available to copy payments from a previous pay period. Click on Add, followed by Copy Payments From and the relevant period number. To set up an addition, click on the Add button within the Addition and Deduction section. You can select preset additions from the list and enter the desired amount. Just repeat this process to add another addition. If you wish to add an addition that is not available in the preset list, simply choose New Addition Type. Enter a description of your choice and the amount required. You will also need to set whether the addition is to be subject to tax deductions. To set up a deduction, click on the Add button within the Additions and Deductions section again. Select a preset option from the list or choose New Deduction Type. Enter the description, any allowed tax deductions and the amount. To add a further deduction, repeat this process. Should you wish to edit any additions or deductions you have set up, simply click the Edit button. Here you will find a facility to set an addition or deduction on repeat every pay period until you choose to manually remove it or to repeat it up to and including a particular pay period in the future. If you wish to reorder any additions or deductions you have set up, an ordering function is also available here. Once you have completed this employee's payslip, you can return to Summary View here at the side of the screen, or you can click on the next employee on the list to continue processing your payroll.